What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be working with Hermosa hair. I was sent the 24-inch body wave number 27 frontal wig, and y'all, and 220 density. And I can honestly say this hair really feels thick, not to where like it's thick and heavy and your hair gonna be hot, but it just feels real full for a 24-inch, because you guys know 24 inches be mad thin. But this hair is giving, y'all. It's giving. The curls is giving. I went ahead and I cut some long bangs into it. Also went ahead and curled the hair using my Connet Infinity Pro curling iron. I was gonna do baby hair with this look, but I feel like honestly it's no point because you can't even see the freaking hairline. Like, this hair blends in with my skin so well, you was not gonna see the baby hair. I had to go and make a part. Like, I had to literally try to shave down the hair because the part just wasn't there. But y'all, the curls is giving. This whole look is giving. I'm jacking Hermosa hair. I would definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. It's thick, it's full, it's soft. The curls take very well. The lace is bomb. Like, cause where is the lace, honey? Lace. And this is glueless, y'all. This is a glueless install. Like I said, I would highly recommend if you guys want the same exact wig. The link will be down below if you guys are interested on how I got this look. Continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.